Welcome to Louisville Water Tower Park in our new series, Louisville WaterWorks. Each time we meet, we'll share a short video lesson, and then you'll get a chance to do an at-home challenge. One of the main things you notice at Louisville Water Tower Park are the 10 statues that surround the Louisville 9 of these are Greek or Roman gods and goddesses. All 4 of the seasons are represented, even god of the sea, Neptune. They've been here for over 100 years. Imagine the stories they could tell.
Hey Spring, how are you doing today?
Hey Neptune, I'm doing pretty good.
How's the weather at Louisville Water Tower Park?
It's beautiful today, but when you stand here for over 100 years, you really experience all types of weather.
I bet you do. What's been the most interesting you've experienced?
Well, there've been thunderstorms, tornadoes, and some pretty amazing snow showers. But I think the floods are the most incredible to see.
Remember the one back in 1937? That one was amazing.
I know, I never thought it would stop raining.
And how the Ohio River rose. Whoa.
Yes, we have some amazing stories to share. Hey, we didn't know you were there. Hope you guys are doing okay. Hey Spring, I have a great idea. Why don't we see what kind of story they can come up with at home? Sounds fun to me.
And now, your challenge.
Your challenge today is create a story, poem, play using at least 2 of these statues as your main subjects. You can learn more about each of the statues by visiting our website, LouisvilleWaterTower.com, and then be sure to post your play, story, whatever you come up with the hashtag Louisville WaterWorks, or you can submit it to us directly.